In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can take a Google slide or any sort of Google document that has the ability to embed, and we're going to show you how you can embed that particular item inside of a Canvas page. So for a Canvas assignment, maybe it's just a Canvas page. Anywhere the rich content editor is in Canvas, you'll be able to embed. So like I said, for this example, we're going to show you the Google slide, but anywhere you can get that embed code, you might have the ability to embed that file or that item inside of Canvas. So on my Google slide here, the first thing that I'm going to do for the Google slide is I'm going to click where it says File on my Google slide, and I'm going to go down here to the option that says Publish to the Web. So I'm going to select Publish to the Web, and when I select Publish to the Web, I've got two options to publish it. I can link it or I can embed it. Again, we're going to want to embed it, so we're going to select the embed, and by embedding it, the students or the people in your Canvas course are going to see the actual Google slide right there on the screen as a live document that they can view. Any edits that you make to the slide or to your document will automatically republish and show inside of Canvas there. So we've selected embed. When we select embed, we're going to click on the publish button here. And when we click publish, it's going to ask us, are we sure we want to publish this section to the web? So we click OK. And what you're going to see there is you're going to get an embed code. And so on my computer here, I'm just going to hit the Command C button or the Control C button, depending on the computer that you're on. You just want to copy this set of text here. This is your embed code. So you copy that text there, and then you're ready to jump over to Canvas. So we're going to jump over to the Canvas course. I'm going to select my Canvas course. And in this example, I'm just going to go in my module, let's say, and I'm just going to create this on a page. It can be created on assignment. Again, anywhere you have the rich text editor, it can be, or the rich content editor, I should say, it can be added. So I'm going to do page, new page. I'm just going to call this my example for embed. You would just give your page a name. And then from there, we're going to click on the page itself. And then we're going to click on the little edit button here. And when we click edit, now we're editing our page. Now this is probably what you're familiar with up to this point. This is where you can edit and use the rich content editor tools. But what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to the HTML side of the rich content editor. And so the little symbol down here that I'm hovering over allows me to switch to the HTML editor. Now when I click that button, you're going to notice that my toolbar goes away here. Now we're just kind of in the raw HTML side of things. So I'm just going to simply paste. I'm going to paste the embed code that I got before. You'll notice that in the embed code here, we've got a width of 1280 and a height of 749. These are spots inside of the embed code that you may want to adjust depending on the size of your presentation, as far as like screen size, where you want it, how big you want it on the page. So when I do that, I'm going to click save. We're going to look and see what 1280 by 749 looks like. In this case, it's pretty clean. It looks like it's the right size, so I don't have to really edit that width or that height. I can just kind of click through here, and you'll notice that now this presentation is embedded right there on the Canvas page. If I ever need to get back in, though, and edit and work with that height or that width, I can just click Edit. You'll notice that it shows just my Google slide there. I have to switch back over to the HTML editor. When I do that, here again is where I can now mess with the width. So let's say that I want it to be a little smaller in width, a little less wide, so I can just select, I'm changing it just randomly to 980. And when I click save there, you'll notice now it's a little smaller in width there. So again, you just go into your Google slide. You're going to go to the Publish to the Web option. When you're under the Publish to the Web option, you're going to select Embed, and you're going to choose to start publishing. You're going to grab the embed code. Once you grab the embed code by copying it, you just go into your Canvas course, and anywhere you have that rich content editor in the Canvas course, you'll be able to switch to the HTML editor, paste it in there, hit save, and once you hit save, you'll see the presentation or the document or whatever it is that you're trying to embed.